Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Confirm the Bitlocker recovery key is accessible through your Microsoft account, or AD, and make sure you have admin access. Once done, prepare a second device to look up the key if needed and create or verify Windows 11 bootable media. This avoids delays during recovery. Start command prompt as admin or boot into the Windows recovery environment. Those are the first actionable steps, because you must access the drive or key retrieval tools before attempting fixes. Once in the recovery environment, unlock the drive using Manage BDE Unlock C. Recovery password 48-digit key or supply the recovery key through the GUI. This step restores access so you can repair Windows. If unlocking fails, try the recovery key file with recovery key and double-check the key source. After successful unlock, mount the volume and run chkdskc/f to fix file system errors. Then sfc/scano to restore corrupted system files. These commands prevent repeated BitLocker prompts by repairing underlying issues. You finish by rebooting into Windows, suspending BitLocker briefly so Windows can update the protector, and then resuming it to refresh the key protector and group policy. Make sure BitLocker status shows as fully enabled with a valid protector. If AD or Intune manages keys, verify the device record and force a policy sync. If problems continue, check TPM health and firmware, update BIOS, and consider removing and re-adding the BitLocker protector. These steps resolve persistent recovery loops and ensure the drive remains accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.